Doesn't matter how much of a brave, hard person you are, but wandering in some abandoned house and finding something really unusual and creepy can scare you to death. I'm not kidding. The very first thing that attracts us to look inside such properties is the fact that they were left unattended long ago. Here are top 10 frightening things found in deserted houses. Let's look it through. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Old specimens. In the destruction caused by the Hurricane Katrina, a lot of buildings were abandoned because of the flood water. 10 years later, many moldy buildings are waiting for renovations. One of them is a hospital in New Orleans. Before the hurricane, the building was used as a charity hospital in the state of Louisiana. Now, the building is nothing but deserted and awaits repair. Urban explorers photographed the inside of the hospital even though it was unhealthy because of the plenty unattended biohazardous material still lurking, such as blood specimens and even body parts. It is difficult to unsee how creepy this place looks with vials of urine and blood. If I had to go for adventures, anywhere would do except for deserted hospitals like these. Number 9. The Koi Pond. Would you believe me if I say an abandoned shopping mall in Bangkok, Thailand has a whole living and surviving breed of fishes on its floor? Well, it is the reality. The New World Mall is a whole huge fish tank now after it was left deserted because of being disapproved to open. The ceiling caved in and the rainwater pooled several feet deep. The fish was introduced by some locals, or some say they were from the original mall's water features. Whatever is the case with the introduction, but this view is quite breathtaking. The fishes are keep on breeding and thriving, turning it into a very new attraction. Number 8. World War II bombs. The biggest war the world has ever been a part of never lets us forget about it. Till date, we have found a crazy number of unexploded bombs even though it was 75 years ago. In the well-populated district Athens, Greece, a worker found a hand grenade while working in one of the abandoned houses. Only if these explosives were any less dangerous after so many years. Germany is the most affected by unexploded old bombs. During the war, the Allied forces dropped 2.7 million tons of bombs all over Germany, but not all of them exploded. Number 7. A witch. Ted Robertson is a police official who was called for domestic disturbance in the Delray area of Detroit in the United States. In his statement, he said that as his work was finished and was heading back, he heard some weird, unusual sounds from a nearby deserted house. It was normal for Officer Robertson to catch noises in an abandoned area such as Detroit, as most of them stayed that way for long times. But when he saw through the window of the house, he couldn't make up his mind about what he actually saw. This footage was captured by himself from the window and it resembles to a ghost. On investigating around the house, he found a newspaper cutting on which an article was written about the Delray witch. A woman called Rose Veries was accused for a number of murders and was sentenced to jail. I know what you're thinking about that hazy shadow in the window of the house, but is that true? Does a witch exist for real? Number 6. A shark. I know a shark must not be the first thing you expect in deserted buildings, and I can't help. It was actually discovered. A formaldehyde tank was found at Wildlife Wonderland in Victoria, America, which was left abandoned back in 2012. A 28-minute video was recorded by an explorer, Luke McPherson, while he visited the closed zoo and uploaded it on YouTube in February 2019 and managed to gain 14 million views. However, the story behind the great white shark is more interesting. The Wildlife Wonderland had to collapse because the owner did not have right legal licenses and did some wildlife law violations, which resulted in the zoo's downfall. The white shark named Rosie was a dead shark in 1998 and put in display in the zoo. I don't even like the thought of coming across a dead shark in an abandoned zoo. Who would want to be a part of a meeting with a predator which has a possibility of ending your death? Number 5. Padlock Dungeon. In Pickering, Ontario, a padlock dungeon was discovered in early December. This dungeon was 136 years old and was hidden and deserted out of view. When the contractors arrived to look out the property for demolition, a new padlock dungeon was found, causing much alarm. The police didn't make a big news out of it and started a full-scale investigation until the farmhouse burned down mysteriously, destroying all the evidences. The police suspected that this was the motivation behind the fire. I guess it will always remain an unanswered question to us that what was in there. Number 4. A tiger. Okay, this is difficult to believe. The story starts when a man high on cannabis called police to report that he had seen a tiger in a deserted house of Houston. Nobody would believe this when they hear this for the first time. But as the defenders of the city, police went to cross-check the information that came out to be correct. An overweight tiger was actually kept inside a cramped cage in the garage of an abandoned property. The police did find the tiger's meals and stuff, but a sign of human accommodation was missing. They rescued the tiger and took it to a local animal sanctuary. Number 3. Fairies. In an old London home, scientific arrangements of fairies, werewolves, and aliens were found. It happened in 1960s when an old abandoned house was being cleared for renovation when a truckload of weird and curious specimens were found in the basement. The property belonged to the 19th century aristocrat, collector, and biologist Thomas Theodore. As per some blog posts and reports, people who came to renovate found many small tightly sealed boxes. On opening the boxes, it was hard to digest what was found. The boxes had evidence of existence of mythical creatures. Although people said that this is a hoax and not actual specimen, this could be models made by Theodore himself. Number 2. Tombstones. In the Ukrainian village Rydza in October 2019, a 1930-era building was demolished only to be found by the contractors that the building was built on hundreds of gravestones. The Soviets had seemingly tried to destroy all signs of the village's previous inhabitants and constructed a building on their graves. It was discovered after 100 years that the graves belonged to a Mennonite community with ancestors in Manitoba, Canada. This proves that the Mennonite stones were quite elaborate, which made their identification easier. Most importantly, constructing a whole building on a graveyard? I wonder what the ghost thought about that. Number 1. The Village of Dolls. The entire village of Nagoro in Japan is almost abandoned. It is said that the village, being between mountains, used to have 300 people living there, but since 2016, only 10% of population is left. Well, this shouldn't let you think that the village is empty, mostly. The houses are occupied by human-sized dolls, just lying there impersonating as humans doing their daily chores. This incredible yet scary work is done by Tsukimi Ayano, who grew up in the village. After her family left, she returned and made dolls. If we talk about numbers, Tsukimi has made more than 400 dolls in place of the old residents of the village. The dolls are everywhere. In schools where they sit while wearing the actual clothes worn by students who last attended the school, on fields working like actual farmers, even a fisherman doll sits there with a rod in the lake. I am freaking out. And this is all we had for today's video, people. I hope it was frightening enough to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Unleashed for daily spooky content. Comment down below your experiences in abandoned buildings. Until next time, keep vibing.